Hello everybody, and a happy Easter to you all. Today I want to share with you my method of plaiting dough or braiding dough. There's two things that I look out for. If you have your strands the same thickness right across compared to strands that are thicker in the middle, more of a torpedo shape, you get two different types of loaves when you bake it off. This one was more or less the same thickness all the way across, and you can see it's still quite nice, don't get me wrong. Or if you shape them thicker in the middle, you get that nicer torpedo shape, which I prefer. But it's up to you. I'll show you both ways. Now, this 3-strand plait is pretty simple. I'm sure most of you know how to do it. This is how I do it. A lot of people probably start from the end there. I don't, I start in the middle like this. And then I just flip it over and then continue on, like so. Just like that. And now you can see that has that low, flat profile. Put that there for a minute. Whereas this 4-strand plait, you can see it's thicker in the centre. So we'll clap this up. I'm not saying you have to do it this way, but it's another way of doing it. This is quite a nice plait, quite simple. Only thing you got to remember, you don't cross your hands. You don't cross your hands. Just go straight that way, 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 and so on. Very simple. And then just finish it off like so. Now you can see the difference already. Thick in the middle, flat. Okay, I'll let these rise and then I'll bake them off. My oven, I bake them at about 190. I'll leave a description in the bottom of the recipe. It's quite a rich dough. It's got milk powder and sugar. So you don't want your oven too hot or you'll burn them before they bake. Like this is quite nice. So 190C in my oven. So I'll let these rise about half an hour, 3/4 an hour, and I'll bake them off. And I paint them with egg wash. I use egg wash before I bake them. It gives them that nice colour. Okay, well I'll come back to you later when they're baked off. Welcome back. As you can see, I've baked these two off that we made a while ago. And you can see the profiles are different, as I was talking about. But they still turn out lovely. I put some sesame seeds on them. I painted them with egg wash. And in the egg wash, I put a good pinch of salt. That helps break it down, makes it a little bit thinner, and helps with the taste too. So I recommend that you do that with your egg wash. I hope it helps some of you. So please stay safe. The way things are around the world, stay close to your family. And I hope to see you again one day. So thank you all for watching. Goodbye.